Hi, this is my review for the AEG Ultra Power Cordless Hoover AG5020. It was delivered from EO.com within 24 hours in this box and it was very well packaged. This is the Hoover here. It's attached to the charging port at the moment. Click it off. Just sits in it just like this. And when it's charging, the wee lights light up, and then once it's fully charged, it just starts to flash in and out every 5 seconds to let you know that it's fully charged. The charging port here, you just get the power cable plugged into the hole there, and the wire wraps around this bit here, so if you need more wire, it's easy enough to have if you want to plug it further, sit it further away from the plug, and that just sits right in there. I'll show you how to empty the Hoover. You just press the button here, easy release, out pops the filter part, just click these two bits in inside, easy enough. Clicks back in. The Hoover has 3 different power settings. If it's on the lowest power setting, it will last for 50 minutes with a full charge, and the full charge takes about 3 hours from empty. I'll show you the one. The first one that comes on is usually the highest setting. As you can see, it's very easy to move about, and it's got these 3 LED lights at the front of it, which are very handy for picking up extra thumbs and making off speed. That's the kind of silent mode, which is the lowest power setting the Hoover has. That's the routine one. The Hoover is very lightweight, easy to move around, and I think very good. I have tried the Dyson cordless one and I think it's better than that. I think it would be excellent for stairs, so I'll show you working on the stairs. And this is it working on the stairs. Just turn it down in a lower setting, as you can see, it's right into all the wee small bits. The service from AO was first class. It was Rhiannon that I dealt with through the emails, and she was excellent and very, very helpful. Overall, I think this Hoover is fantastic, and I definitely would highly recommend it to anybody that's looking for a cordless Hoover, because it's very powerful and gets the job done.